Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a spreadsheet in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your Gmail account on your PC, and once you are logged in with your Gmail account, here you can see this apps option. Click on this one, and here you can see drive option, so just click on this drive option, and this will basically open up the Google Drive that is associated with your Gmail account. Okay, so we just have to wait until it loads up, and once your drive is loaded up, you can click on this new option, then here click on this Google Sheet option basically. Okay, and this will open up the sheets for you. Okay, so and from here basically you can give it a name to your sheet. So you can basically give it a name like my first sheet here, and then basically these are the cells here, just like the Microsoft Excel. You can start adding any relevant information. So let's suppose if I wanted to add one basically in it, like 1 2 3 and 4 here, and now if I wanted to sum all of these, I will just write here is equal to, then sum, then this, and then it is automatically showing me that maybe I wanted to sum all of these. And then when I will hit basically, like, I will just select these one, so just select all of these, close this bracket, and there you go. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.